just a quick video to show what Ali looks like when she sees herself in the mirror. I take her to see herself every day. Usually very interested in this. Whereas Kermit and Kev, they will bow coo every single time they see themselves in a mirror. But she's smart enough to realise that that's her. Ain't it, sweetie? Taking her through here is one of the only times she will permanently stay sitting on me. That's the phone, babe. You want to take a screenshot? Mirror's a bit dirty at the moment. She's doing okay. Going to be celebrating her birthday in a few days. One of her 2 birthdays. Because she's that special to me, I've decided to celebrate her birthday 2 times. Hope you're all having a lovely day.